Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the OBSBOT Tail Air. Now, there's already a ton of tutorials out there on the internet as to, going over the features of this Tail Air bot, so I won't bore you with the same old information. I'll just quickly go through the specs. What makes this device a bit different is it's an extremely large webcam that's capable of not only capturing and streaming in 4K at 30 FPS, but you can also utilize this as a standalone device. This has a motorized gimbal similar to PTZ cameras, which stands for pan, tilt, zoom, that allows you to automatically track yourself if you want to capture some creative angles. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and jump into unboxing this device. So I'll go ahead and flip this over and begin. That slit would allow me to go ahead and open it from there. Sounds nice, doesn't it? If I look on the back, it shows what all is supposed to come in the box, which is tail air, storage case, USB-C cable, a USB-C adapter, USB dual to USB-C female splitter. Okay, quick start guide and a warranty card. We'll go ahead and remove the top. I imagine this has the quick start guide along with the warranty information and so forth. Yep, quick start guide, there we go. Going through all of the gestures and stuff that you can do to set this up. All right, I'll put that over here to the side and I'll go ahead and pull out the main attraction. All right, really sleek case, hard shell, a little bit coated with some fabric, so pretty nice, but yeah, all right. So if I open this up, I can see immediately we have the webcam here. And all right, so out of the box, this is what the webcam looks like, the OBSBOT Tail Air. It's it's made out of plastic, not the firmest plastic that I've held, but not the cheapest either. So, it's cool there. Looks like we have some pins there. Not too sure what that's used for, but let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, all right, so this is the USB-C to USB adapter. And is there anything else in here? All right, this right here, let's see. This right here is the USB-C to USB-C splitter. So you can turn one port into two, so that's nice. And if I open up this pack, which looks pretty self-explanatory, this is the USB-C cable for the webcam. One thing that I want to point out is that on this device, we have one USB-C port. We also have a microphone input jack, 3.5 mic input jack. Not too sure what this does. I'll figure that out and let you know. We have some lights, and then here we have a mini HDMI port that allow you to connect this directly to a monitor to see what you're looking at, which is pretty cool. As well as an micro SD card slot that you can use again to record video even if you don't have this directly attached to a computer. As a webcam, this can record it all on itself. So this is what you get in the back with the basic package. All right, folks, well, that concludes this video of the unboxing of the OBSBOT Tail Air. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.